If you look at the market last week, it had that roller coaster feeling to it, and no, you're not imagining it. The big question right now is something wrong or is this just normal? Hi, my name is Josh Bretl with Wellman Financial, and this is another look back at what the heck just happened. I hope you like our new studio setup. It's taken us a long time to get here, and you'll see more videos like this from here as we go forward. But what you really care about, let's look at the market. The S&P 500 is really busy, but it's kind of going nowhere. Last week, the S&P was down 1.39%, brought it down for the year just over a tenth of a percent. But this kind of up and down has actually been normal for the year. It's the amount of ups, the amount of downs, the big swings that we've seen. There's a fancy word for this we call consolidation, which we just kind of call the market is catching its breath. The Dow Jones hasn't been as fluctuating, if that is a word, fluctuating as the S&P has because it isn't as reliant on those giant tech stocks. It's been we'd be able to see just the growth of the overall market appear in the Dow Jones there. The jobs last week did surprise people in a good way. We were expecting a really bad jobs report, but we added 130,000 jobs. Also, inflation cooled quite a bit. The inflation numbers came in way better than we expected. So both of those led to euphoria and then a sell-off and then euphoria. The other thing is earnings still came in strong. Corporate earnings are outperforming expectations, but that also means prices are still staying high in regards to the price of those stocks. So all of these are leading to some things that we're seeing coming out of the Federal Reserve. What's the Federal Reserve going to do the next time they meet? The big picture is the economy is still holding up. We will get GDP numbers this week. All of these things tend to lead to the market reacting in some way, shape, or form as it has so far this year. So this is a stereotypical year of why we say long-term planning is what really matters, and we don't see this ending anytime soon. So with that, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week.